Comparison operators in Python are essential for decision-making. They allow your code to evaluate conditions and execute specific actions based on those evaluations. By using operators like double equals, not equals, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, you can control the flow of your program, making it responsive and dynamic. Comparison operators are crucial in Python, forming the backbone of program logic. They enable intelligent decision-making by powering control structures like if statements, while loops, and for loops. These operators return Boolean values, guiding execution paths. In real-world applications, they validate user input, filter datasets, and facilitate automated testing. Python's 6 core comparison operators are essential for decision-making in code. Equals equals checks if two values are identical, while not equals verifies if they differ. And determine if the left value is greater or smaller, respectively. And assess if the left value is greater or equal, or less or equal, respectively. Comparison operators in Python evaluate relationships between values. For instance, equals equals checks if values are identical, while not equals determines if they differ. And assess if one value is greater or smaller, respectively. And verify if a value is greater or equal, or less or equal. These operators return Boolean results, crucial for decision-making in code. The equality operator, equals equals, checks for exact matches in both value and type. For instance, apple and apple differ due to case sensitivity. It's crucial in verifying user passwords, confirming payment amounts, and validating form submissions. Precision is key, ensuring only identical values return true. The not equal operator identifies differences between values, returning true when they differ. For instance, x equals 3 and y equals 4 results in x not equal to y being true. It's crucial for error handling, detecting state changes, and filtering unwanted values. In data validation, it ensures values change before updates, and in testing, it flags mismatches. Greater than checks if one value exceeds another, useful in scenarios like temperature checks or exam scores. Less than determines if a value is smaller, aiding in age verification or pricing logic. These operators are crucial in sorting algorithms, ranking systems, and performance monitoring, ensuring efficient data handling and decision-making. Greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to, less than or equal to, operators are crucial for inclusive range checks. For instance, a grade of 90 qualifies for honor roll with grade greater than or equal to 90. Similarly, quantity greater than or equal to 10 triggers a bulk discount. These operators ensure boundary values are included, unlike greater than and less than, making them ideal for threshold validations. In this code demo, we explore Python's comparison operators. Equality checks show A equals C is true, while A not equals B is also true. Relational operators confirm B greater than A and A less than B. String comparisons reveal name1 equals name2 is false due to case sensitivity. Practice these operators with if statements for robust logic.